ng bagsak ng 3 lalaking grade 12 student matapos umanong pagsamantalahan ng kaeskwela sa Baseco sa Maynila. Ang biktima, 16 anyos na babaeng grade 11 student. Ayon sa Baseco Police, kachat ng biktima ang isa sa mga sospek na nagyaya umano ng inuman.
Bakit parami ng parami ang mga ganitong kaso ng abuso ng bata sa kapwa-bata? Let me take a guess, and I think it's down to 2 things. Unang-una, laganap ang kultura ng objectification ngayon o ang pagtrato ng mga tao bilang sexual objects. I'm not even talking about porn, although that's a big part of it. Every day mag-online ka, may makikita kang sexy manamit in videos and in pictures. Ganon din kapag nanood ka ng TV. Paglabas mo, you'll see it everywhere. Exposure to these objectifying images corrupts our young minds to thinking that sex is all about using other people for our own pleasure. The second reason is the absence of fathers, whether physically, like in the case of OFWs, or fathers who are physically present but emotionally absent. Abusado rin, toxic, lasinggero, babaero, etc. Young boys need strong men to learn how to become a gentleman. In the US, fatherlessness has contributed to a lot of broken men, and broken men lead the way in breaking society.